I guarantee you've been using ChatGPT for years, yet you barely scratched the surface of its true potential. Did you know you can earn limitless money with ChatGPT without using any other tool? Most people think it's just for generating memes, captions, or answering simple questions. But what if I told you ChatGPT can operate your entire computer, automate complex tasks, and unlock immense earning potential all without needing any other expensive tools? We often pay thousands for various AI tools just to create basic images or write simple text. But the real power of ChatGPT lies in its advanced capabilities that almost no one utilizes. Imagine creating entire projects, each with its own specific instructions, directly within ChatGPT. Beyond basic commands, ChatGPT can function as a project manager. You can build automation agents for specific tasks, turning complex workflows into simple automated processes. Think of it as having a highly intelligent assistant dedicated to your every project, streamlining your work and boosting efficiency. And here's where it gets truly mind-blowing. Did you know ChatGPT can fully operate your computer? Yes, you heard that right. It can open applications, navigate interfaces, and perform actions just like a human operator. This means ChatGPT can create images for you in Photoshop, write complex code in any software, and even manage your communications across platforms like Amazon, WhatsApp, and Facebook. Imagine it replying to customer queries, posting updates, or even managing your e-commerce listings autonomously. Furthermore, ChatGPT can connect directly with Google Studio, which includes tools like Google Docs and Google Sheets. This allows it to work with your Word and Excel documents, analyze data, generate reports, and perform various document-related tasks on your behalf. The possibilities are truly endless. We're not even talking about GPTs here. We're talking about the core ChatGPT. Follow and subscribe for more videos and updates.